Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. I have gone through plenty of videos on machine learning, face detection, face recognition, supervised and unsupervised learning, attendance system, fruits and vegetable classification, unsupervised learning, then drowsiness detection, hand tracking, face login and many more. Today video is really interesting and creative. I have struggled few weeks for this video, really few weeks for this video. This video is really interesting and creative, so please watch till the end. So it is all about face match app with end-to-end face recognition and mapping. So first of all, we'll go through the code of the program app.py. It is using Streamlit. So again, I am back with new creative video on VGGFace2 model. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VGGFace2 model. I struggled for a lot for this model. I told many times I struggled for a lot for with this model using VGGFace2 model and MTCNN model. I was much more familiar with DFace and Fear library. Right now I'm interested in this model. So this is all about the program. Now I will execute the program. Remember that I am not having any data set here. I am not having any data set here. You can see here in data also my images are two images are there. These are of two images of face matching at and data. So now I will execute the program using Streamlit. Yes, fine. Please be patient. Yes, I will upload my video, my photo. Sanjay. Yes, it seems like Kate Wilson. We will, since I am not having the data set, it is showing, so we will take, seems like Kate. We will check it out. Oh, no. It is telling, okay, I will upload my another photo. I will upload, yes. Yes, now this is the right condition. We will see that. Yes, this is fine. My face is look like this person. So now I will upload the image of Shah Rukh Khan. See what happens. Okay, to whom does your face match? Lead like John Tip. Okay, yes. So I successfully done with face match using end-to-end face recognition and mapping. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VGGFace2 model, MTCNN model, CNN, Keras, TensorFlow, then Skylern, and if possible DFace, Fear, and many interesting videos. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching. Since I'm not having that data set, the image is not displayed.